Happy Monday. It's Donna with Remax Alliance Group. Hope you had a great weekend. I know I did. Hope you had great fun celebrating your fathers, grandfathers, dads. So, before we dive into the highlights, we will look at the Crawford Report and kind of uncover what these numbers mean to us. So, let's just do a quick look. We're going to look at these numbers and see what they mean. Please type in any of your comments or questions. Happy to answer them. So let's go. Let's look at what they are telling us. So when we look at active listings being up 3.7% higher than last year's count, and we are, just so that you know, we're expected to be below 2022 in another week. New listings continue to be insufficient for replacing the properties that have gone under contract. So, on average, of the 151 listings per week within the last month, this is a slower rate of decline compared to previous months. Also, last month we reported that year over year, the supply change will be negative within 6 weeks. And at this time, supply was 80% higher than the previous year. Now, just only 5 weeks later, we're at 3.7. So just keep that in mind. Now, look at listings under contract. We have 8,950. That's down 10.9%. And you're probably like, okay, what's causing that? This decline, basically attributed to, we went from 6.5% interest rate to 7.1 within 2 weeks last month. This caused some buyers to take a breath and say, you know what, let me just see what's going to happen. Since then, conventional rates have dropped only slightly, hovering about 6.9. And then that caused a slight downturn as well. So just keep this in mind as we approach the coming months. FHA increased this amount of money they're willing to loan to $530,000, which is a big win here in the Valley for us to be able to have more options under FHA. And they also lowered their mortgage insurance premiums by hundreds of dollars. So our buyers are seeing a reduction in those monthly PMI costs. So even though interest rates went up, the monthly PMIs went down. So get with your lender to get more details and how that applies to you. And of course, I have partner lenders that are more than happy to assist. So now let's move forward and look at a little bit more information here. Let's look. A lot of people are always asking about the heat map. What does that mean? Sorry, I made this so big. But as you hover over the different cities, and this is as of the 17th, as we hover over them, we're able to see. So if we were in Chandler, 85225, we're looking at a frenzy. Let me make this a little smaller so you can see more of the map. But if you're in Fountain Hills, it's just hot because we have 104 active and 65 under contract. Come on over to Buckeye. We're looking at a frenzy at 85326. So those of you that are in Queen Creek at 85142, you're looking at a hot market compared to looking at 85140, where it's hotter, and 85143, what is considered a frenzy. So keep that in mind as you slide across the map, being able to see what the market looks like. And those of you that are in Scottsdale, 85255, it is still hot. I had a couple of calls last week asking about Scottsdale and exactly what's going on. But if you hover around, that's hot, hot, all around here. So it's all hot. So that, hopefully that answers so many of those questions that I was getting about Scottsdale last week. So let's come here. because I get this question quite a bit. Where are foreclosures right now? So I want you to look. Let me pull it here so you can see what this looks like over time and what these colors represent. So here we're looking at 2020. So look at 2020. We were looking at 1,681. 2022, 942. 2021, 691. And come to now, we're at 1,103. So we are nowhere near an all-time high. We have quite a few investors that are wondering, a lot of people losing their houses. There's just so many options that are available for people going into foreclosure. There's so many modification loans. You might not know this and have a separate video that talks about the 40-year mortgage. That is an option as a modification. Talk with your lender. If you need a lender to just bounce those questions off of, you can, but as well as reaching out to your servicing lender. But as you can see, our numbers aren't that high compared to other points in time. All right. So let's look at our highlights. Can you believe it? We are in the third week of June. The kids are out on break, and I'm like, where's the time going? So let's dive right in. Looking at Queen Creek, Arizona, where the median list price is $745,000. We're looking at an inventory of 217 homes and a median rent of $2,375. Santan Valley, Arizona, where the median list price is $459,000. We're looking at an average days on market of 65 and a median rent of $2,120. Gilbert, Arizona, where the median list price is $674,970. Average days on market, 52. And we're looking at a median rent of $2,595. Chandler, Arizona, where the median list price is $615,000, inventory of 183 homes. 56 days on market is the average days on market. And we're looking at a median rent of $2,785. Quite a few investors asking about where are the rents going. We are seeing rents increase. So for those investors out there, keep that in mind. If you're trying to decide between buying or renting, we can help you with that calculator, trying to figure out what is the best option for you. Looking at Mesa, Arizona, where your median list price is $589,497. We're looking at an inventory of 364 homes. 68 days is the average days on market, and the median rent is $2,437. Tempe, Arizona, where the median list price is $615,000 with an average days on market of 77, and we're looking at a median rent of $2,995. Sorry about that. Let's correct me on that. The median rent is $2,995. Sorry about stumbling there. But look at Tempe, Arizona, where the median list price is $615,000. Average days on market, 77. And we're looking at a median rent of $2,995. And let's see here. Let's look at Florence, Arizona, where the median list price is $399,747. Average days on market, 65. Inventory of 98 homes, and a median rent of $1,983. Coolidge, Arizona, where the median list price is $322,500. Average days on market, 78. And we're looking at a median rent of $1,777. Arizona City, where the median list price is $310,000, average days on market 77, looking at an inventory of about 58 homes, and the median rent is $1,605. Casa Grande, where the median list price is $379,947, average days on market 104, and a median rent of $2,010. Globe, Arizona, where the median list price is $209,950, 67 days on market is average, 20 homes in inventory, and the median rent is $3,000. So many of you have asked questions. Feel free to be able to text me or call me at 480-340-2808 and let me know if you have any further questions. And here, feel free, I'll pull up my email address for you. And that email is sitting here for you on the screen, donna.ullman@azdreamhouses.com. Look forward to working with you, answering your questions, and feel free to comment. Look forward to helping you and have a great week. Talk to you soon.